It's like losing somebody or losing a member of your family. That's the kind of feeling they got. I remember when they made the announcement, it's tragic, just like it would be losing a loved one, death type situation, because that affects people's livelihood.
After NAFTA happened, we saw those mills start drying up and closing, and our area was really heavily impacted by those things. We want to get our people back home is what we want to do.
I mean, it's critical to the town and, the economic of this area, period. It's like we lost something good, but we got something better. I've been here the whole time, and I kind of gambled on myself staying here, because I had other opportunities, more financial lucrative, to leave and go do what I was doing, but I chose to stay. This coming, it helped to stay here.
I was here when we had to give them the news that they were closing. I know what kind of impact it's going to have to bring, within a year, 300 jobs back to this area that are well-paying jobs with great benefits. That's outstanding.
The type of resource consumption that was accepted and not even commented on 30 years ago is vital today. You're really re-engineering denim so that it works for a new, much more environmentally critical phase in terms of all of our lives. To use cotton in a way whereby we can identify it as sustainably grown and ethically produced and make it into high quality yarn that in turn is made into artisan denim. So we know that 100% of what we're making is coming from a sustainable feedstock. In turn, we're running that through one of the most efficient plants from an energy consumption standpoint, using a fraction of the water and chemical inputs.
I really love the fact that they've used the closed loop filtration, so it kind of saves the water and everything, and then also their slasher dye technology, which it helps in eliminating the chemicals, which, future generations, I'm a parent, so it really is awesome that companies are conscious of that.
So the idea is a complete vertical fulfillment strategy for better brands focused on sustainability and socially responsible manufacturing at all facets of the production.
It's been a welcome blessing. There's not a lot going on in this area, and anytime somebody takes a chance, it's nice. Very little industry has come to this area over the last 30, 40 years, and it's nice to see them stepping out because there's hardworking people here that want to work, and they're looking for a plant or something to provide them the sustainability that they had from previous plants that weren't here anymore. Glad that Vidalia Mills is in this area.
One thing that I believe in is that you can't chase dollars without jobs. You've got to have people that's got industry in your community that can support all your mom and pops and other businesses in that town. These are people that's going to have money in their pocket.
I opened this shop up here, I think, mid-80s, and I was busier then than I am now because we had all the plants running. We've lost some real good industry around here in the last 10, 15 years. Anything coming in is welcomed. Like Vidalia Mills. We've done about $11,000 worth of work for them.
We're a relatively small mill, but what we're really hoping to do is provide a technical map to others. We never want to be the largest in this space. We have a very defined idea as to what we want to do. But we hope that some of the things that we're doing here will spread and will have an impact far beyond our actual employment, our actual size, and inspire others to create sustainable models in other production centers, because we'd like to redefine the ability to produce apparel and fabric to mean that you could do it sustainably without resorting to having to rely on the lowest cost labor or basically cutting corners. The impact of AMCREF's support of this project is extremely significant, really making a lot of what we're achieving today very possible.